In our current time, we waste a lot of time on unimportant things without awareness, and we are late in completing our work and practicing our life as a normal. In this video, you will learn how to stop wasting time and control it properly. Hours of your day. You have 24 hours like any human being on this planet, but there is a difference in how to exploit these rumors in the best possible way. You have to be careful how to manage this hour on a daily basis and keep track of them. Giving more time for simple tasks. Try to complete any simple task as quickly as possible without any distraction from the factors near you, whether you are at home or in the office. When you complete some simple task, you will receive a call or friends talk to you and you will forget the task. And when you return to it, you will have to repeat it from the beginning. Electronic device. Keep electronic device away from you as much as possible in the place or another room, at least, and turn off notification. Just by hearing the notification sound or the phone vibration, your thought or focus will be cut off. When you look at the phone, you will find nothing. Chatting with friends. Friends make up most of our time in the day, and it's good to talk to them. Keep the phone away from you when you are talking in order to get rid of distraction and waste of time. What's the point of you sitting together with your phone or device in your hands? Talking face to face is more interactive than talking with emojis. If your friends are the same at your place of work, avoid talking about work outside of its hour. This will increase stress and damage to your mental health because you will have to work throughout your day. Don't lose your self-comfort and come with to talk about work. Procrastination. I always talk about procrastination because it's put you in the spiral that has no end and takes your time and energy and drain of you something useless. Learn how to overcome it and do what you have to do in order to not waste time. Electronic device, permanent meetings, watching a movie. Do it after you accomplish your task. You will feel comfortable. Believe me. Distraction at work. If a project with your group of friends, each person must take one specific task. It's not permissible for one or two people to complete the whole project. Commit a specific time and date in order to facilitate the important points. Priorities. Make your priorities every day is to live with peace of mind while you finish at your work and task. Enjoy with your family, talk to your friends, go out for work, go shopping with your wife. There's nothing more beautiful than them away from the noise and problems of work. Conclusion. In the end, there's nothing more precious than your time with it. You get what you want through your work or your life, or you will destroy yourself with distraction and drain yourself difficulty. Return to your life normally, because also you must spend your time to recover yourself better. This things is not for the ideal life that you see on the social media. Sometimes things must happen that make you spend more time on the task.